evening. How's everyone doing tonight? Two wines down. Nice. Hi, how's this side doing tonight? Hi. Shout out please for Karan Johar and Gehenna. I mean you. Ladies and gentlemen on this side, while Karan Johar hugs you. Hi, how are you doing, Manisha? Good evening. Welcome to this very, very, very special evening. An evening where diamonds can be a girl's best friend, because Gehenna will take care of that. And an evening where it can be a gentleman's best friend too, because Karan Johar will take care of that. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, it's that kind of evening. I'm Nalishka. I'm sure you know me. I've met you before. I'm your host for the evening. I'm a family friend to Gehenna. And I'm also that woman who generally chases Karan Johar on this stage. I've been trying to pin that man down since December 2014 when he made sweet promises to me on a stage that was similar to this. He did. And that young, talented jewelry designer, Karan Johar, stole my heart. I believe I'm going to pin him down today. It was a lovely night in December 2014, again, when I had the privilege and honor of bringing two powerhouses together. Karan Johar, give him a big hand. No, I don't want you on stage just yet. Karan Johar and Gehenna. Ladies and gentlemen, a big hand. I wasn't getting your attention, so let me say a few beautiful words about you. Then we'll have you. No, Karan, come on. You broke my heart. But don't move, because if you go there, they'll hobnob with you and then my words are wasted. My beautiful words about you. So, like I was saying, it was a lovely night on December 2014 when I had the privilege to bring together to these two powerhouses that believe in giving you exquisite jewelry. A lot has changed since then. The price of gold, the excise on gold, the size of my dress, and tonight I'm hoping to change one more thing. Karan Johar's mind. Tonight I'm hoping I will put my finger forward and say to him, if you like it, then you got to put a ring on it. If you like it, then you got to put a ring on it. I have a feeling he might oblige tonight. Just have this feeling. Well, also his ring collection from the last time was beautiful. I love that little dog. I loved it. So, though lots of things have changed, one thing that hasn't changed is their association. They have been together all this while, and tonight, because they're showcasing some more exquisite jewelry. Now let me tell you why this night is also special. Gehenna completes 30 years. Can we hear it for Gehenna? And Kiran and Sunil. So imagine this, a lovely boutique store on the end of Turner Road. You walk in, you get serviced by the most warm, the most know-it-all people in the industry. Then you walk in, there's Sunil's smile, there's Kiran's charm, there's Karan's line, and then all these shelves, there is this beautiful ice-lace, exquisite collection that looks like pinpoints of stars on a moonless night, and your pleasure points in your head are going bing, 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 buy! Buy! Buy for your mom, buy for your sister, buy for your wife, buy for your neighbor's wife. It's all cool because they have something for everyone. There is Gehenna for you, ladies and gentlemen. Kiran and Sunil, wherever you are, you guys are stars and you rock. Are they here? Hi, there they are. And now, wait. Now that you put your hands together for them, let me introduce the man, the maker. So, I'm talking about Karan Johar, of course. So whether it's high fashion, whether it's films, whether it's just to tease intimate details out of celebrities who are half relenting and half in love with Karan Johar, or whether it's, designing exquisite jewelry, this man can do everything. I personally believe Karan Johar can do anything. How many of you believe that when we say I? One more time, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, he can do anything. I believe anything he touches turns to gold. So tonight he's going to touch a few things, ladies and gentlemen. Just watch if he does it. So, without further ado, I'm going to invite him on stage. I'm going to ask him exactly that. Is there anything he can't do? Ladies and gentlemen, Karan Johar together. Hug me, baby. Yeah, get a good photo of that. He's putting a ring on this. Came very close. Oh, there. Do I get a mic?
Yes.
Karan Johar.
So, Malishka, what is the one thing I can't do? You. Just that was your last question. I thought I needed an answer.
I must tell you, the man is so witty. I thought this up. I'm going to do a rapid fire with him. But I was thinking, Karan, imagine you doing a rapid fire with you.
Me doing a rapid fire
fire
with
with
me?
you.
I'm German, I can do it. You know, you get 2 for the price of 1.
And all that coffee you're going to drink for 2 people, like da 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 da. You're on that
Trust me, when I drink 2 cups of coffee, you don't know what's going to come out of this mouth.
Why am I even doing this? He can interview himself. I'm going to do a quick rapid fire with you. But before that, tell me, 2014 was the last time when I saw you on a stage like this. How has the association been with Gehna? I think.
My association with you, Malishka, of course, was beyond 2014.
That's true.
You interviewed me on several occasions, red carpets, reality shows.
I know you love me.
And I love you.
Exactly.
I think you're the early morning energy. You're the zest of every night.
भाई कभी-कभी हुस्न भी देखा करो. Boys, ladies and gentlemen, हुस्न भी देखा करो.
हर चीज फायदा का होना चाहिए, Malishka. और तो मेरे फायदे की नहीं है.